Hi and welcome to this course. In this section we're going to look at the overview of the course and how it works. So we've got 5 sections to this course. In the first section we're going to install Maya, and it's going to be a 3-year educational license for Maya. In the next section we'll look at the basics of Maya and we'll get comfortable with navigating around. We're going to have a bunch of different example scenes, and I recommend that you follow along with these so that you get used to it and get it into your muscle memory and you get used to navigating around inside Maya. After that we'll start our first project, which is the toy train project, and in that section what you want to do is copy over the Maya project, and there's a link to it in the appropriate section, and you're going to copy it to a location where you're going to be able to find it again, and I'll recommend a location in the tutorial. So this project directory will contain all the files that you need, but it also contains finished versions of the lectures. So if in case your computer crashes halfway or you're falling behind, you want to start at a specific location, you can just open the finished folder inside the scenes folders and you'll see the lecture is labeled correctly. With these tutorials you take in much more information if you watch them first and then try to do it. So just watch it all the way through and then do it. You're taking much more information, so I would recommend doing it that way. In the third section we create our desktop scene, and that you're going to copy over a separate project for that as well. And that's a much more flexible project, so you can create things in the way that you want to create them, and you can create your own composition if you want to. The final section is a reference section, and it's got more detail on tools and settings. For example, the move tool, it's got a soft selection and a symmetry lesson in there, and it's got more information on deformers, and it's got loads of cool stuff in there, so definitely check that out. So if you have any questions, be sure to put them up in the Q&A section, and when you do put those questions up, be sure to put the lecture up there as well so that I know what you're referring to, and I will be checking these regularly. A great way of learning is actually teaching, so if you want to answer those questions as well and you know the answers, please get involved in the community, and it's a great idea to do that. So that's the overview, and let's get started.